I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart.
Board. Diretso na ng Benguet. Okay guys. Tito Ray, ayun. Tito Les, Tito Sherwin, Tito Jerby, Tito Bien, ayun. Okay. Puro dirt. Ayan. Tapos kami tatlo, scooter. Aerox, si Kuya Owel. Beat.
What you said, still you can love when you can. And why would you kill this world, my son? And why would you leave it all?
Exciting part. Nagpalambing muna tong si XDC. Yan. Magbubukas na yung eggs and brekkie. Magbe-brekkie na tayo dito sa eggs and brekkie. Dahil nag-egg yung brekkie yung XDC. Woo! Exciting! Apakaangas. Nandito kami ngayon sa Tarlac. Yay! Woo! Mga walang logs to. Ayun, nakaitlip ng Tito Ray. Ayy! Kahit bukas yung mata. Woo! Meron na? Tarlac Sports Bar. Alright. Get it on. Pero na Tarlac pa rin. Grabe, Tarlac. Tapos mahabang Pangasinan pa to. Habang inuman ang ulan.
Well,
battery, talagang diesel po talaga zero. Diba?
To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me?
Epic.
Oh, there's a night where all things are silent. I'm gonna whistle a tune. Oh, there's a desert that size can't be measured. I'm gonna count on the dune. Out there's a world that calls for a girl, heading out into the unknown, with fair strangers and all kinds of danger. Please don't say I'm going.
Jarvis Graham,
To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? There's a world that was meant for us to see. To the ends of the earth, would you follow me? If you will never say my mercy.
I will tread down a lonesome track, set my eyes on the wild and won't look back. I will follow where my heart reacts. Venture out to the great unknown, find a place where I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind.
Ayan, pwede yan. Kaso mababa yan dito eh. Pwede, pero tingnan nyo.
Malaki naman yata eh.
Medyo.
I'll find my feet on the way.
Oh, pwede na yung inigib mo.
Climbing up from the valley below, seeing places and faces I've never known. I will follow to the open road, through the trees till I see the sun. Now I know that I can feel alive again. Throw caution to the wind. I'll find my feet on the way.
Todo?
Wala kuya, wala mo
Talagang
na.
strawberry.
Wait lang.
Try. Dalawa. Ikaw na, sige na.
Won't look back, I'll chase the sun, live the life I'm dreaming of. I'll find my feet on the way. I'll find my feet on the way. Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes.
Nasa baba.
And I felt like everything about me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for.
Yoshi ka ba, Tito?
They say
Dito, big.
hold on to the ones you love.
Ito nga pala ang stay namin sa Mount Olives.
Close to you.
2 nights.
2 hits.
With different, dito, yung temperature na no?
Yes, syempre kasama nila ako.
Yay! Woohoo! Ayop na kumuha ng lente mo to.
Hindi ko rin ini-expect na grabe siya. Pero yung front, hindi masyado. Meron dito,
Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see love unfold. 2 hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have. Let the light shine.
Sama yun.
Pag ako, ayaw ko samahan eh.
Wala.
Dati sinasama ko, ayaw naman sumama.
Ganyan.
Bawian lang kami.
Gen Z yung daddy.
Gen Z eh. Gen Z-han eh.
Magenta.
Pag minalas-malas ka pa, paano nasisira yung film? Oo, puta. Expose na. Pag-expose na yun. Napabayang open yun pagka ganun.
Ang malupit. Diba 6 shots na.
Tumira pa ako.
Hindi pa agad mapapadevelop. Lalagay lang sa pampalit na lagayan. Kasi wala pang pampadevelop.
There are blessings all around you. Take a step outside. Let your heart shine in a new light. See it come alive. They say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have. And let the light shine through.
follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done.
Op. Dahil nga nawala yung gas, susian na yan, ito. Jules the luckiest. Jules the luckiest. Ito, magtatapon muna ng gas tank over. Yan, test pit muna kami galing dito.
Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. A brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air. Cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. So follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done.